Can you guess who this is? Well, enough about me, but this design has been laser marked on a brand new laser engraving machine designed and manufactured right here at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. And that design was actually engraved on the machine behind me. And this is not just any old machine, Paul. This has actually been designed and manufactured by yourselves in-house, hasn't it?
Yes, it has. Originally, we were a distributor, and that brought some of its own problems. So ultimately, we decided we got both the expertise, the knowledge, and the ability. So we decided, why not? We'll build our own.
Exactly. So you designed and built your own right here in Elland.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the machine itself. What design decisions did you make? Because you've got such a huge amount of that laser engraving experience. How is that baked into this product?
So the laser that we designed is specifically for marking metals and plastics. So it's 1064 nanometer fibre laser, and it's also a MOPA laser. We decided to go with a MOPA because it brings a lot of advantages in terms of reliability, long life, and also the quality of the mark that you can produce with it. This one's a little bit different to the standard MOPA. We've got a selectable 15 wave form on this one, which means that it gives us a lot of control over what we mark.
Absolutely, that's brilliant. It's nice to have a control over the whole design of the machine as well.
Absolutely.
There are some considerations when you're buying a laser marking machine is how big the area that you need to mark is quite a big consideration.
Yeah, again, one of the sort of design elements that we built into the machine was we actually listened to what our customers were telling us about what they needed. And one of the criticisms was they didn't have big enough marking areas or big enough part heights. So we designed this one with that specifically in mind. So we wanted to make it small enough to fit onto a desktop, but we also wanted to make the internal dimensions big enough to put most
fit what people need to put in it, because there's a lot of safety aspects that go into the design of these as well.
A lot of safety elements with these types of machines. Basically, we've designed a machine which has got a whole host of safety features in there. It's fully interlocked. As you can see, as soon as we open the door, it kills the power to the machine, so there's no way that the laser can run without the door in position. Laser engraving is probably the best technology that's out there in terms of producing both a quality mark, producing a mark at speed, and also having the flexibility through the software to do a lot of different things. So QR codes, 2D codes, barcodes, chemical etching. Again, you've got all the chemical elements to deal with. Laser just uses light, so it's green as well as efficient.
Yeah, it's clean and fast as well. And talking about other applications and kind of more cosmetic stuff, we've got something to show you here. There's Paul's very kindly spent a lot of time, for some reason, choosing my face as a design, which I had to protest about, I'm afraid. But look at the quality of the design of this. Is just from a photo we took on my phone maybe an hour ago.
Yeah.
It didn't take, it took maybe, I mean, how many 30 seconds did it take to actually
37 seconds to mark that.
37 seconds, which is such a fast cycle time.
Yeah.
But what is quite a complex design.
Yeah. I think one of the things that we wanted to show people with the Lightning is it's not just for doing the mundane things like marking serial numbers and the codes. The laser software and the quality of the laser source that we've got in there allows you to do very complex pictures, obviously, and as you can see, it's pretty much photographic quality.
Yeah, it's brilliant. It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
Really good cosmetic quality. And you could imagine, actually, if people want to be incorporating more data into the marking of their components, you could put a big QR code in. With that amount of detail, you could pack a lot of data in if customers are requiring even more information rather than just the batch number or the serial number.
Yeah, absolutely.
Stuff like the parameters that it was used to manufacture the component.
And also as well, we are not just looking with this particular machine to put them into machine shops. These can be used for personalisation, for gifts, for jewellery. There are such a lot of applications that you can now use the laser for. And again, the combination of the software and the laser itself, world's your oyster, really.
Yep, and not only that, it's designed and built in the UK.
Absolutely.
That's it. And if this has whetted your appetite, but you want to see this actually in person, you're going to be showing it at Max soon, aren't you?
We are indeed. So it's 15th to 18th of April. We're in Hall 6, stand 240. And there'll be the laser along with all the other Colchester products.
Fantastic. So if you want to see any of the other Colchester products or this fantastic made in the UK, made here in Colchester laser engraver, maybe you want to engrave your own face just like this one, I wouldn't suggest doing one of mine. So yeah, come down to Mac, make sure you check out the machine tool and check out Colchester Machine Tool Solutions for laser engraving and a huge range of machine tool solutions.